Faniquca, and this is Faniquca TV. Yes, guys, remember, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Hit that post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a video. So yes, guys, today I'm going to be making something that I've never seen any Jamaican make like physically, but on camera, yeah, me see them make it. I'm going to be making Ghanian fufu. Yes, it's my first time making it, my first time tasting it as well. So stay tuned. Remember to comment, share the video, hit that post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post another video. Yes, it's another outdoor cooking. We're outside in a nature, in a nature, no disturbance, and we're going to be. So yeah, guys, for the inspired Ghanaian fufu, I'm going to be using plantain. Yes, guys, plantain. I'm going to be using green plantain, and as green plantain is very common in Jamaica. You can fry it and press it and cook it. You can even put it down to ripe, boil the ripe one, or you can even use to make porridge. You can use punch, and it's a good source of iron as well, and vitamins, of course, especially when it's ripe. So it's um the reason why people put plantain in fufu, it's like a sweetener, like it makes the fufu a little more, kind of bring up the taste of the cassava. So today I'm going to be using plantains, right? And as you know, this is my cassava. Yes, and cassava, I've never seen anybody in Jamaica use cassava to make fufu. The first time I saw fufu was in, African movies and so forth. And as you guys know, fufu is commonly made in different parts and different countries of Africa. They have all different type of ways that they make fufu. But fufu is originally from West Africa. So, but it's made all over Africa, but it's originally from West Africa, Nigeria, and Ghana, and them places, right? So yes, guys, today I'm going to be doing Ghanaian inspired fufu. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing to start my fufu, I'm going to be putting water in my pot, right? I'll put some water in my pot. I'll fill up the water. And I'm going to be adding salt to the pot, right? So I'm going to add salt to the pot. We're going to use boil the fufu in, right? So that's it. Put the pot one side. And then I'm going to be peeling my plantain first. So yeah, guys, when you peel the plantain, you cut up one top. You don't have to take off the whole top, but me like to take it off because I don't see a reason why I keep it on, right? Then you use your hand and just push it one side. So yeah, guys, and then you go cut it in small bits to be boiled. I'm not making a lot of fufu because it's my first time making it. I don't know if I something way maybe enjoy. So I'm not making a lot of it. So big up YouTube. First time making fufu, and it's because of YouTube. So yes, YouTube is not only a platform that people can use to put out content, but you also learn a lot of things, because most of the things them when you see people do on YouTube, and then first time and they never know, so them did so talented until them decide for yeah, make YouTube content. So cut up my plantain. Yeah guys. Now alright. How this going? Alright, first I be a few cassava. Hey, but if they know one in cassava. I'm going to town and see somebody I sell what's up the name? Chocho. I know chocho. It only go round I think I dash in. I may ask the person, is that I say, is that so to the man say, is that cassava? And the man tell me yes, it's cassava. And I say, oh, and it wasn't cassava. It was not cassava. So yeah guys, me have go and peel my cassava little. You know. Okay. Remember to subscribe if you are not subscribed. Hit that post notification bell so that you get notified when I post a video. So yeah guys, the other made that throw with the other piece cause something good wrong with inside it. So yeah, this is cassava guys. I may go put it in a two. Yeah. So cassava come like a one hard piece of um so yeah guys, cut in a smaller cubes. I get this small one this one. Guys, as we cut up with cassava, we are going to add it to the salt pot. Add it to the salt pot as we cut it up. Add it in the plant them as well. Guys, we still have more to cook up. So we add it to the so yeah guys, stay tuned. Okay, Miss Fire. Yeah, this is now with Fire ketchup now and everything. Guys, we have we pot on fire. The fufu, see the cassava and the banana in there. I'm gonna make them boil up now. So stay tuned. So yeah guys, I'm going to be taking out my plantains. I plant them I go cook before the
Cassava.
so yes guys. I have my 7-year-old son on the camera. So yeah guys, pick out the plant there. Okay, cassava, they not cook it. But plant them cook. Oh, gosh. So hey guys, we are beat up with plant. Smooth. Hey man, why African food? Oh my gosh, African food, man. I don't easy peasy.
One stop. One.
It's not a easy peasy job, guys. Remember to subscribe, guys. Woo! The plant is sticky. This is the plantain. Eat it in the mortar. We go get the cassava still a cook. So when the cassava come out, me go mix it in. So this is the cassava. This is the the plantain. Yeah, guys. So yeah, guys, the cassava don't cook now. I go beat them in one. Beat it in one. One. I think he might have the cassava. Wifey alone if you know the contact. Guys, we are beating the cassava. Beating the cassava. Yeah, no cassava showing. Don't kill yourself. And don't be kill myself, Jack. So yeah guys, my son help me beat the cassava. And saying one exercise too. Alright. Yeah guys, as you can see, making African fufu. It's really, it's an exercise. You lose couple pounds. So if you believe in an exercise food, I believe these foods are diet food, because to make them alone, you lose at least 10 pounds to make it. To make it. So remember guys to subscribe, like the video. When we finish up, we're gonna show you guys the finishing. So stay tuned guys. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so that you get notified whenever we post a video. Yay. This is the end product of my fufu. Hey guys, I'm going to bag it up like what I see them bag it up. And maybe you guys might see a video of me eating it with some stew meat or stew chicken or something. So yes guys, thank you guys for watching the video. Remember to subscribe to the channel, hit that post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post another video. Like the video guys, share the video to friends and family. Also comment. Yes, don't be afraid to comment. Thank you for watching.